This tutorial is for anyone who wants to add or delete a payment method for a customer account in Kaui. This feature is available depending on your user roles and permissions. A customer account can have several payment methods to allow for making payments in different ways, such as credit cards, debit cards, PayPal, and so forth. The payment method includes the details needed for Kill Bill to process a payment against an invoice. Saving this information in Kaui makes it easier for you to accept payments from the customer because the customer does not have to repeatedly provide their payment method details. To add a payment method, open the account on the Account page. Next to Payment Methods, click the plus sign, which will display the Add New Payment Method screen. Fill in the fields. For more information about each field, go to docs.killbill.io. In production systems, payment method information is typically added via gateway-specific data flows. However, developers can use the payment method section in Kaui for testing purposes. Please note that for PCI compliance, do not enter any genuine payment information in these fields. Click the Save button, and Kaui displays the new payment method in the Payment Methods area. To set a payment method as the default payment method, click the star icon next to the relevant payment method. The filled star indicates it's now the default payment method and will automatically pay invoices. To delete a payment method, click the red X next to the payment method, and Kaui immediately removes it. Kaui does not ask you to confirm your deletion, so use this feature with caution. For more information, please visit docs.killbill.io to learn more about Kaui, its features, and configurations.